sleepy right now. I just got off for work at 7 o'clock this morning, and it's about 10:30, 11 o'clock, something like that. I don't even know. But whatever it is, I'm here. I have to get up, and I have to make this video for y'all. Because let me just tell you, I thought I was going to go crazy. I mean, you know, crazier than I already am. But I am so sleepy, y'all. So y'all my riders, y'all my friends, y'all have to ride with me on this one because I'm winging it. And yesterday I didn't put out a video, so I said let me go ahead and, you know, get up here and do something. So we are going to make a mirror, a wall mirror, and it's going to be made from this beautiful Michael's mirror, the Dollar Tree mirrors. I got the square ones and the round ones, and popsicle sticks. We're going to use our command strips, our clear glue, our gorgeous diamond confetti, brush, and glue gun glue sticks. And we're also going to use this mosaic tile. I told y'all to bear with me, you know. Y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all because I gotta stay up. I probably will go to sleep. But I was thinking about doing some kind of shop. Y'all, we're gonna turn this mirror over. I was thinking about doing some kind of shop so that I can like do some DIYs with women and men if they want to do it. You know, just to show them how to do it. Something like a class. I wouldn't charge for it or anything, but I would just love to do that. To show people, bring out their creative side. I would love to do that. So I'm thinking about some kind of way, if God allows me to do that. I would love to do that. I mean, I couldn't do it at my home because, you know, you don't want everybody knowing where you live, but I would love to hold an event or something like that where I could do some DIYs or show some people how to do some DIYs. Something that they would love to make, been wanting to make. And just, it's just been in my heart to do that like for a while now, and I just wanted to speak on it. So I hope y'all don't mind that I actually said that because I am trying to stay up, y'all. But anyway, we are making this mirror with this square mirror. We're using the mosaic tile like around the edges just to give it a like a border. And this mosaic tile is from tile-efavormart.com. They sell it for like $39. It's a lot come in it, so you can use it for multiple DIYs. So this is how I decided to set it up. And now we're going to take our, well, these are tongue depressors. So I'm going to take these and glue them to the back of the mirror and the circle, the round mirror. So as you can see, I finished placing everything where it needs to be, and I also tried to use the smaller popsicle sticks to secure the mirrors to the sides. Let me just say, if you are going to do this project and you are going to use it for a long term, then I would say use some E6000 or some heavy duty glue, and also use some more stronger wood sticks like from the craft store. They're thicker, and they have the short ones and they have the long ones. So I would suggest that you use those with this. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn over the mirror just to see how stable it is, and if it is not, then I'll go back over it and, you know, glue everything together. But it looks like it's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hang the mirror up so you all can see. Of course, clean it a little. Y'all know I'm not good at cleaning mirrors. Like, I do the bare minimum, and I'm just gonna be real. Y'all be having stuff so sparkly and clean and stuff like that, but y'all, I ain't that girl. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to hang this up so y'all can get a good feel of how it looks hanging up. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how our beautiful mirror turned out. Y'all, I am in love with this mirror. It was something that was a little bit different than what I normally do as far as the squares and the circles together. So this was like something that was so cute to me. So y'all, don't come for me. Do not come for me about this dirty mirror, because I tried to clean it, y'all. I ain't good at that. I ain't good at that. I give y'all the ideas. That should be enough. Y'all clean these mirrors y'all self. But anyway, I hope you all like what you see. So if you do, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. And y'all beautiful people have a blessed day. God is awesome.